What's up, That's Cheaper? I finally got Safe Flight Defense's new Unity hybrid carrier, and I'll be going over 3 things that I absolutely love about this carrier system. One of the main things I love about this carrier is the ability to modify it. This carrier is broken down in 4 different sections. So essentially, you're looking at the carrier, it's basically a bag. The Safe Flight Defense calls it a bag, and you're gonna modify it however you want. It's 4 sections: A section, B section, when you go on their website, C section, and D section. Every single section you can modify. A section, I have the police compliance, which has a police patch, my name, and you can put your star, Velcro. Love it. With the B section, I went what they call the detective setup. So you can see it has 2 pistols, handcuffs, and the radio, which is great. It's set up for me perfectly. I'm a lefty, I can draw, I got my handcuffs, got my radio, and you can see how I got my wiring system for my cable. We'll talk about that a little bit later in the video. All right, so we'll go to the back. We're looking at section C, which is we go with police. You go slick, you go MOLLE. You can put your custom patches on here. Then you got your patch up on top. If you don't want a patch here, just leave it blank. Go to D section. D section, you could go with the laser cut MOLLE. You can see how clean it looks. It's super, super clean. Or you go with it slick, or you could go with, you want to add some other patches, leave it off because there's Velcro behind it, and add some more patches to it as much. Just have one big giant patch. Like I said, you can modify this vest however way you want. But one of the things I'm super psyched about, finally, the comments has always been blown up. When are you going to add a MOLLE on the side straps? Not only did Safe Flight Defense add MOLLE to the side straps, but they added laser cut, standard MOLLE. You could go slick if you wanted to as well, keep that really clean look. Also, too, is the quick release. Come on. Are they answering all of our questions? I mean, are they taking care of everything that people have been asking for years? One of the other things I love about this, and as you can see, my radio, one of the big things that you're always having problems with is your cable management. Safe Flight Defense took care of that problem. I mean, completely took care of it. There's actually slots in the carrier itself, here and here, that you could actually see how I ran my cable through here and came out up here. There's slots up here, here, and here. If you wanted, you have an earpiece, you could run it from here. It actually pipes all the way through and it can come out their back. You can run it from up here. You have your radio here, run it over to the side. There's actually slots throughout this whole carrier on the front and the back. And the great thing is, I mean, if you wanted to run a radio back here, you could actually run it all the way, slide up here. The cable management system is amazing on this. So I know I said 3 things, but I will tell you what, the fit of this carrier is like no joke. Go put your vest on right now, whatever you're wearing. Put your hands together and push out and see how much of that vest is pushing out of you. This vest is designed for law enforcement officers, first responders, everybody. It's just a great fitting vest. I mean, just all around, just a great fitting vest. I mean, it's not moving on me. It's not super tight on me. I mean, it's just a really nice vest. Typically, when you're using Safe Flight Defenses, they have so many different style body armor. So they have like their HG2, their level 3A+, they have their FRAS. All that stuff is a little bit different in thickness. The reason for this too in the back is what it's going to do is when you're using, say you want to go with some rifle plates, typically, you put the rifle plates on, the vest can get really, really, tight. Well, this was designed for that. So what it's going to do is when you're adding different levels of armor in this, this mesh is going to stretch, so it's not going to affect the carrier on the outside because it's going to stretch actually on the inside. And this is really nice for breathing too as well. It's also too, all the materials in this vest carrier are the absolute best materials that are sourced in the United States. The absolute best. This is a Berry compliant vest. If you don't know what Berry compliant means, it means that all the materials are USA sourced and also too is made right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you guys are looking for the best, take a look at Safe Flight Defense's Unity hybrid carrier. Use code TheChief and get 10% off your entire purchase. God bless and stay safe.